Hi and welcome back to the Harrison's channel. Today I'm here on Hive Green in Westhoughton. I'm going to be showing you around this semi-detached bungalow. This is currently a 3-bedroom bungalow that has the potential to be possibly a 4. 2 reception rooms, a huge kitchen diner with an Argo oven as well, gas central heating double glazed, gardens to the front and rear, and as you can see from the plot, it's an end-of-size plot with an integral garage. It has multiple car vehicles. Come on, let's go and take a look. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you'd like to arrange a viewing on the property, then please don't hesitate to give our dedicated sales team a call on 01204 659 670. Thank you very much for watching.